Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in my channel Yoga with Anmol. Today I again come in front of you with some topics. Today we practice for slim body. How to make slim your thighs, how to make slim your belly and side muscle. So we talk about that. So just we start now. First come in cat pose. In cat pose, you already know one wrist gap between your knee, toes flat, and between knee and hand, one hand. After one hand, you drop your palm. Your hand come down side of shoulder and open your hand shoulder level. Inhale, look up, roll your spine, open your shoulder. Exhale, look your navel and middle body, try to up as much as you can. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale. First you practice this 10 times or 8 times, or if you want more then you can try. After finish this, then you lift your left leg. Inhale, left leg up. You check your hip always together. Hip not move one side. Hip always together and heel pointing always upside. Then try to leg up maximum upon your shoulder. Exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up. Exhale. Inhale, leg up. Exhale. Inhale, leg up. Exhale. Relax. This also you try 8 to 10 times. Same portion, second side also. Inhale, right leg up. Check your hip always, hip together and hip pointing upside. Exhale. Inhale. You see I hold a little bit after exhale and after inhale also. You also try same. Give little bit pause between inhale and exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Always try to hold in final position. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Inhale. One time more you check another posture. Lift your left leg. Inhale. And leg move left side and forward. Exhale. Inhale. Bend your knee. Toes down and look your toes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You see leg at shoulder level, so leg always upside and forward. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Other leg, inhale, right leg up. I need to move that side because this side have wall. So first I move this side. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, leg shoulder level and forward. Inhale, bend your knee, look your toes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, relax. All posture you try 8 to 10 times, and always remember breathing. Continue. Next come half plank. Half plank also is too much good for belly muscle and side and thighs also. So you hold here. You can here hold also 8 breathing. Try to slowly and deeply breathe. 8 to 10 counts you can hold here. After finish here, then next position have plank pose. You already know our posture. Just I show you how to practice. You can hold in plank pose also 8 to 10 breathing. Body one line and heel standing, palm down side of shoulder. After hold here, I show you next one. My shoulder tired, you're also tired, so you can rotate your shoulder. Opposite also. When you feel relaxed, your shoulder, continue. You try for next. Drop your elbow. Same half plank. Hip little bit upside. Then bend your left knee touch your left armpit. Exhale and little bit hold. I already tell, always we try to hold in final position. Inhale back. Exhale other leg. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. This also you try 8 to 10 times one side, then 8 to 10 times other side. Breathing, always remember and try to little bit hold in final position. So we practice now next portion. This portion you can do in plank pose also and half plank also, in both position. So come in half plank, hip little bit upside. Bend your left knee touch your right armpit now. So try to twist your abdomen. Exhale, bend your left knee. Inhale back. Exhale right leg. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This also same counting 8 to 10. Next is first come in down facing. So drop your palm and you check your hip. If your body and arms have one line and hip upside, then you feel pressure on belly or relax your belly. Belly go inside and try to relax your muscle. This automatic process, when you push upside, your belly already stretch and go inside. You can feel by self, heel on the floor, hip push upside and back. Lengthen your spine. Here also you try to hold 8 to 10 count. After hold here, drop your left leg between your hands. This for thighs, and here you feel hip muscle. You can decrease if you have fat there. So first hip push down, body comes center. You check your hip together, then thighs downside, your thighs parallel floor. Back leg always straight and forward leg standing position, and push little bit forward, heel comes standing position. You can open arms, you can lift your arms. You can both position, then your side muscles and shoulder muscle also go down. If you have fat upside, then this can decrease. You hold here same 8 to 10 count. Then leg back. Change your leg. Same position, hip push down, your thighs parallel floor, hip together, body center. You can open arms shoulder level and upside. And try to hold same breathing, same count. I hope you understand this all. And one more posture have, you already know head balance. Head balance is too good for fat loss. So when you do head balance, you remember, if you can't do, you use wall, and if you can't do with wall also, then only you do shoulder balance. No need to do head balance. So first I show you shoulder balance, then I show you head balance. So lie down, back side. First lift your leg up, then lift your hip up, support your back. First option, if you can't lift, just support and hold here. This position also loss your fat very fast. And final position, body try to come one line. You can do shoulder balance, and if have possible easy for you, then you do head balance. Just interlock your finger, then drop your head on palm, or you can drop your palm on the floor, then drop your head and try to lift your leg up. You can hold here, then you can lift your leg also. But if you feel difficult here, then you can try this. Interlock your finger, then try to lift your leg. Head balance or shoulder balance decrease very fast your fat, so you can try this. If you can't do head balance, you can support wall also. I hope you understand this all. Thanks for watching my video. Namaste. If you have any problem, you can do comment in comment box. Again, namaste. Thank you.